being efficient when you're on a photo shoot or a video shoot is one of the most important things you can do. It'll help you look more professional, look collected, put together, and also help you be less stressed, which is also a good thing. And so I absolutely hated when I was trying to pull my camera off like my gimbal quick release plate and put it on my tripod. It was just kind of all janky, and you know, I was fumbling around trying to switch things from one setup to the next. I hate that process. I hate that in between stuff. So I went ahead and I bought a bunch of these SmallRig pieces. This is the R5 cage. This is the Ronin SC2 quick release plate, and this is the SmallRig tripod mount. The beautiful thing is that I can just basically have this live on my tripod, this piece right here, and that doesn't come off. I can take the piece that came from this and put this on the lens ring on my 7200. That way that lens is just always ready to be mounted to this. And then the beautiful thing is on the bottom of the R5 cage is this Arca Swiss mount they've just built right in that is already there and good to go. It's already a mount. So when I need to quickly just throw this on the gimbal, I don't have to unscrew things, screw them in, whatever. This just quickly can slide right on here, snap on and screw into place. I need to switch it onto my tripod, just throw it over here, bam, it's on the tripod. It is just that quick and easy. So no more fumbling around trying to juggle your gear and get it from one setup to the next. It's all ready to go. It's this SmallRig ecosystem of tripod plates that all work in harmony. And the cool thing is my newer brand carbon fiber tripod is also the Arca Swiss. So this fits on there. The Gorilla Pod that I use for vlogging is Arca Swiss, so it fits this as well. It's all about creating a system that's efficient, helps you work smoothly so you don't have to lose time juggling gear, you know, trying to go from setup to setup. So guys, I hope you found some value in that. Links for all this gear will be down in the description area below. Please subscribe if this was helpful for you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.